bigger comedy there, you see me? So we are shatter Madman prank part 2. So don't miss it. You know what? 1 million subscribers quick and fast. Enjoy the laugh. Mad out here. They know put me with the Bellevue patient there. I'm gonna get my juke. You want to see how people run? Check it out. Bigger comedy. You don't know. Please subscribe. I love you.
Let me tell you. You see it? That's everything.
People, so we just done finish a Madman prank part 2. Thanks to everybody who watch the video, support it, repost it, put it on Snapchat, on the Instagram story, on the WhatsApp status. Is him really respect that. Just send it out. And you don't know, we need subscribers them, so please subscribe quick and fast. We need at least 1 million subscribers. Madman gone wild. Check it out.